Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all had a peaceful sleep. I definitely did. I was out for the count last night. I think I had like a solid 8 or 9 hours, which is very unlike me. But so I tweeted yesterday just saying that I wanted to film a video this week, and I was thinking of doing like a how to get ready quick sort of tip thing, and I had a response and the answer was yes. So that is what I'm going to do today. So the first thing that I'm going to do today is I'm going to moisturise / prep my skin, because no matter whether you're getting ready quick or slow, you've always got to prep the skin. It's just the best way to keep your makeup on for a long period of time. So now that I've clipped up my hair and I look like a peacock, we're going to start priming the face. So I'm just using, as usual, my Nivea Men post-shave balm. I really love this, but I have got a new primer coming. Just the Becca Backlighting Primer Filter that my boyfriend just bought me for my birthday, because it is my birthday it's on Saturday. Oh, I'm so excited. The skin is prepped now, so now I'm going to go in with foundation. At the minute I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 115. This is only because I'm sitting at home, so there's no reason to put on like a really expensive foundation. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to initially put it on with a brush, but I'm going to pat it in with a beauty blender. It just gives me the most flawless finish. So I'm going to take my Morphe Y6 brush and quickly buff that all over the face. So now that I've blended that in with my brush, I'm just going to go in with my Morphe Conceal Contour something or other sponge, and I use a flat side and I just push that all into the skin. I just have to apologise if you hear like grunting or snoring. It's because my dog is literally right under my feet. So now that that is done, I then go into concealer. Concealer I'm going to use today quickly is the Urban Decay Naked Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Light Neutral, and I'm literally just going to not go crazy on concealing today, but I still want to conceal all my problems. Now I'm just going to blend that in. So now that I have concealed everything, I'm just going to quickly set that. I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Shading Light Contour Palette, and I'm going to pick up the banana shade right here. Brandy. I'm going to quickly run that powder over my eyelids, because the best way to fool people that you haven't spent a lot of time on your makeup, or you haven't got too much makeup on, is allowing the veins in your eyes to pop through. That sounds gross, but it just, if they can see the natural veins in your eyes, they think, maybe they haven't got as much makeup on as I thought. But really, you're like wearing a full mask of makeup. And now I'm going to quickly set the rest of my face using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I need to get a new one, this is so bad, but I can't afford it at the minute. She's too expensive. I'm just taking a big old brush and patting that all over the face. I don't want any extra coverage from this. I just literally want it to set the foundation so it doesn't move. Now that we are all set, I'm going to move on to brows, and today I'm going to use my Anastasia Brow Definer, and I'm not going to fill in like all my brows. I'm just going to fill in where I have not got a lot of brow hair. This is just a quick tip to get ready fast. Don't try and draw a new eyebrow arch or something avant-garde. Just literally just fill in where you're missing brows. And already you can see a difference between that brow and that brow. So now I've done my brows, I'm just going to quickly set them with the Anastasia Brow Gel. This is my favourite product ever. It just literally sets your brows so well. It's like Gorilla Glue for the brows. So quickly set these bitches in place. My eyebrows need doing so bad. Oh well, I can't be asked. The brows are set in place, they are not moving, so I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to make people think that you spent more on your makeup when you haven't. So what I'm going to do is pick up the Hoola Benefit Bronzer and an eyeshadow brush. an eyeshadow brush. This is a Morphe eyeshadow brush. I don't know what one it is. It hasn't actually got a number. I'm just going to quickly swirl that in there and put this through the crease. This will just give you more of a contoured look around the eye, but you ain't wearing anything. Clever. So I'm just going to quickly run that through the crease. On camera it might not look like massively different, but in person it just gives the illusion of makeup. So now what I'm going to do quickly is I'm just going to run some mascara through my lashes. I'm just using the Benefit Roller Lash. Now I'm going to carry on with the rest of the face. So I'm going to use a long haired brush to apply my bronzer today. And the reason why I'm doing that is because by using a long haired brush, you're actually going to put on a less amount of bronzer compared to packing it on with a big old brush like something like this or the Morphe R2 brush. This will just give it a more of a naturalesque look. But come on, there's nothing natural about bronzer. Now I'm just going to quickly do some blush. So I'm just going to quickly sweep this over the apples of my cheeks. And this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. Now what I'm going to quickly do is just bring a little bit of warmth in the middle of my face. So I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer again, put that on a brush and quickly warm up the sides of my nose. This isn't going to contour our nose, but it's just going to bring a little bit of warmth to the centre of the face. That'll fool people in thinking that you've either self-tanned or been on a sunbed, been on a holiday, something like that. So that is done. So now that's done, I'm just going to go in and highlight my face, and I'm going to be using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. I'm going to take that on a Morphe M510 brush and quickly highlight my face. Don't go too much with this because that's a massive giveaway as well. Ooh, bitch. Ooh, bitch. And take a pinch on the nose. Bit on the chin. If you're oily, you probably wouldn't want to do this. But I am dry as hell. And then a little bit on the forehead, because why not? Highlight is done. So now I'm going to move on to lips, and today I'm going to be using, oh, what shall I use? For lips, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mannequin, and I'm just going to quickly put that over my lips. I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm just going to give it like the illusion that I put on lipstick when I kind of really haven't. And then I'm just going to top that off with a lip gloss, and this is the Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Gloss in the shade Candy Queen. These are the mini ones that I got for Christmas, and I love them. Oh yeah, hey Candy. And now I'm just going to quickly set my face with some Morphe Prep and Set. Well, it's actually called Continuous Setting Mist now, but it was called Prep and Set. And just spray this all over my face. Woo! I'm going to quickly put a inner corner highlight on because I feel like that's going to make my eyes pop and make me look a little bit more awake, and again fool people to think that I've spent more time on my makeup than I actually have. I'm just going to take that Becca highlighting powder again and just put that in the inner corner of my eye. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay, I can't stop myself now. I just have to do brow bone highlight. Someone stop me. Someone come and stop me. And this is our completed look. So as you can tell, I am not like super glam, but I am not everyday look. this is definitely stepping it up a little bit more. But for them days where you don't really have a lot of time to get glam, but you still want to look a little bit more on the glamorous side. I've just paired some hoops with this jumper. It does not go. But I just thought, let me just spruce it up for you guys. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, then be sure and subscribe to my channel if you can, or if you have already, thank you very much. Be sure and like this video and leave a comment down below on little tips or tricks that you've got that help you get glam quickly, and let me know and I'll try some of them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.